Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I want to talk to you about something very important, your English, and more importantly, your confidence. Maybe right now, you feel scared to speak English. Maybe you think your English is weak. Maybe you feel nervous when someone talks to you in English. And sometimes, maybe you stay silent because you are afraid of making mistakes. But listen to me carefully. You are not weak. You are learning. Every fluent English speaker was once a beginner. Every person who speaks confidently today once struggled with simple words too. So first, stop thinking that you are behind. You are growing step by step. Learning English is not only about grammar. It is not only about vocabulary. It is about courage. It is about consistency. And it is about believing of yourself even when progress feels slow. Sometimes you learn 5 new words in one day. Sometimes you forget everything the next day. That happens to everyone. Do not hate yourself for learning slowly. It is normal. A slow learner is still a learner. Think about this. When a baby learns to walk, nobody laughs when the baby falls, because everyone knows falling is part of learning. Then why are you afraid of making mistakes while learning English? Mistakes are not your enemy. Mistakes are your teacher. Every wrong sentence teaches you the right sentence. Every difficult conversation makes you stronger. Every small practice session improves your brain. So stop running away from mistakes. Face them, learn from them, grow from them. Now, let me tell you one of the most powerful ways to improve English. Reading. Reading changes your mind slowly. When you read English daily, your brain starts understanding sentence patterns naturally. At first, reading may feel difficult. You may stop again and again. You may not understand many words, but do not quit. Read slowly, read calmly, read again if needed. You do not need to understand every single word. Even fluent people learn new words every day. Start with simple things. Read short stories. Read motivational posts. Read subtitles while watching videos. Read books that make you feel interested. And little by little, your mind will change. One day, you will notice something amazing. You will start understanding English without translating everything in your head. That is when your hard work starts showing results. But remember something important. Consistency is more powerful than motivation. Many people feel motivated for 2 days. Then they stop learning. But successful people continue in when they feel tired. Even 20 minutes of daily practice can completely change your English after a few months. Small daily efforts create big results. So never underestimate small progress. Sometimes, you will feel embarrassed while speaking English. Maybe someone laughs at your pronunciation. Maybe someone corrects your grammar. Do not let that destroy your confidence. Nobody becomes fluent in silence. If you want to speak better, you must speak more. Speak in broken English if needed. Speak slowly if needed. But speak. Confidence comes from practice, not from waiting. And please remember this. Your accent does not matter more than your confidence. You do not need to sound perfect like a movie actor. You only need to communicate clearly. English is a language, not a competition. Do not compare your chapter 1 with someone else's chapter 20. Everyone has a different journey. Some people learn fast. Some people learn slowly. But anyone can improve with practice. Your brain is more powerful than you think. Every time you listen to English, your brain learns. Every time you read English, your brain learns. Every time you try speaking, your brain grows stronger. So trust the process. Even when you cannot see improvement immediately, improvement is happening inside you. And one day, you will watch English videos without subtitles. You will understand conversations naturally. You will speak confidently without fear. And on that day, you will thank yourself for not giving up. So from today, promise yourself something. Do not quit because learning feels hard. Do not quit because progress feels slow. Do not quit because of fear. Keep learning, keep reading, keep speaking, because your future self is waiting for you. A more confident version of you, a stronger version of you, a fluent version of you. Believe in your journey, believe in your effort, and most importantly, believe in yourself. Because, yes, you can do this. Thank you for listening, and keep going.